What's up, guys? So we made it to beautiful Monterey, California, and I'm down here for the Sony Kando event, which I'm really excited about. So if you've never heard of this, Kando is this event where Sony brings together their artisans, the collective, as well as press, and there's a whole series of workshops, shooting opportunities. It's pretty amazing. And today I'm particularly excited because we've got some interviews scheduled that I'm going to be doing with people like Neil Leifer and Eli Reed. And if you don't know those folks, you're going to see the interviews in this channel and future videos. But I'm super excited. These guys are heavyweights. They're putting together a set back here for shooting later, and you can't beat California. This whole thing is at this conference center, which is actually on the water. You'll see that later. And there's like a little mini trade show going on in here. Right now we're headed to the bus. We're going to go to the Monterey Aquarium, which I've never been to, but I've heard it is fantastic. The man, and then the guys from the D preview, the D preview. Come back to the room to put stuff back because we're going to go down to the little event dinner thing. A little behind the scenes. I did 5 interviews today, and I schlepped all this. Audio recorder and microphone. This sits on a tripod. Another tripod with the A6R III. This is the A cam or B cam. I switched them in and out. And this camera, the Sony A7r III, which Sony were nice enough to loan me to do my interviews with this week. Got like a garage here. Could have brought the Jeep. Too long a drive. Take the secret path here.
Yeah. Focusing is brilliant, it's really confident.
Seriously, I'm not.
Battery's just too short. But for short clips, you can do it.
Seriously, guys.
This is Gordon Lang.
You're screwing everything.
I've just cleaned my glasses and the clarity is outstanding.
Well, yeah,
I'm freezing.
How's the bokeh? On the glasses?
Delicious.
Delicious.
Oh, mine.
Yeah, your bokeh. Delicious. It's always delicious. Sony call Kando, quote, your most inspiring and fulfilling creative experience this year. I really love the idea of Kando, and I think it's quite unconventional for a camera company to extend a relationship to its community. In addition to bringing together press, artisans, and the collective, it is also open to the public to enjoy. There are panel discussions, classes, shooting opportunities, social events, a trade show, and you get to play with some really amazing equipment. I had an absolute blast and got to do some interviews while I was there that you will get to enjoy too as soon as I have them edited. The best part of Kando is getting to see my colleagues and friends as well as make new ones. I get to do some shooting in a beautiful part of the country and make some videos. It's a lot of things to do, but it's such a worthwhile time full of great people who share a passion for photography. Thinking this would be a really good location to wrap this video up, but it's kind of cold and there's a lot of wind and noise, so sorry if the mic's rumbling. I don't have a thing to fix that right now. A little less exotic, but definitely quiet. Anyway, some of the things that you guys are going to see over the next week or so as I go through the footage. I did about 5 interviews up here that I'm going to be releasing, and I filmed these with 2 cameras and stuff, so it's kind of hard to vlog around that, and I want them to be really good. But anyway, a couple people we have. Eli Reed, who is incredible. He was the first African-American Magnum photographer, mid-80s, or early 80s actually. Neil Leifer, who was a very successful and acclaimed Sports Illustrated photographer, and then later worked for Time Magazine. A gentleman named Brett Culp, who has some docu-series that he's done on Netflix that are amazing, really positive guy, super upbeat. And then also my friend Jason Lanier, who I've met briefly one time before, and we had a very brief hangout, and then this time I told him I would like to interview him because I want to do a piece on like building your brand and creating your opportunities for success in photography, because I think he's done that extremely well. There's other stuff too. I'm super excited about this. This has been an amazing time here, and I wanted to document just a little of that for you guys to see. You'll be seeing these videos released in the next week or so as I get them edited. Anyway, it is time to start heading back to Texas, and this has been amazing. I love California, and the weather here is just amazing, even though it's overcast today. Nice light for filming. Anyway, remember to subscribe, hit the alarm so you'll know when this stuff comes out. I'll see you guys in the next video. Until then, later.